What's up, ladies and gentlemen, out there in Facebook land and TV land and YouTube land? Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. To each and everybody, to the single women, to the married women, taken women, engaged or whatever. Happy Valentine's to all of you. You heard me? All right. All right. Shout out to Dreamer. I wish she was watching though. Okay. Brittany. Well, so many Britneys I know. Well, one of them already knew who I'm talking about. And Brittany, I never knew her last name, and then my other friend Brittany, and Happy Valentine's Day to my friend Deonka Stokes. You hear me? I sure wish I had something to give her. One day I would. This here, friends make every moment special. Okay, all right. Let me read this. All right. It's the little moment between us that means the most. Okay, wait a minute. Sorry about that. I was scratching my nose while I was. That means the most. Make time for coffee, noticing little changes, help each other get through one of those days. All right. The little the little things really aren't so little. It's just that only true friends can understand how important a moment in time can be. All right. It's life that happens in those little moments, you know, and and that means everything to me. Happy Valentine's Day, Bianca. All right. Well, actually, that call would have meant for her if if me and her would have been talking, if we wouldn't have had our falling out. That call would have been for her. I guarantee that. Okay, so look at these cards. All right, same one like this. For all the hearts you bless, for all the lives you touch. Okay, wishing you a very happy Valentine's Day. Okay, and same thing with that. Laugh. I mean, say love, laugh, and everything good. Okay, this card is meant for Nyla. Okay, that's what you bring, and that's what you deserve on Valentine's Day and always hard. All right, so did I I read this already? Well, just in case I didn't, just in case I didn't read this, for all the hearts you bless, for all the lives you touch. Okay, okay, wishing you a very happy Valentine's Day. I think I did read that already. Okay, I'll rewind the tape. Well, I'm gonna rewind this live video. You know, okay, and to see if I read it already. Okay, so, and another thing I want to do, I would like to wish a happy Valentine's Day and a happy birthday to the awesome and lovely Kirsten Davis. Okay, happy birthday, Kirsten Davis. Okay, Kirsten Nicole Davis. Okay, yep. I wish you many more, my friend. I miss you, buddy. Okay. I wish you would have appeared on my show. Okay. Happy birthday, Kirsten. Okay. If you're watching this, I really hope you are watching this, Kirsten. And I hope this video appear on your news feed. Okay. Just gonna appear on YouTube. Well, it's gonna appear on YouTube. But I hope this live stream appear on a news feed. That's if she get on Facebook. And by the way, I would what I would like to do, what I like to do is say thank you for making me and Tanya close friends. So I'm so glad you introduced me to her. Mm-hmm. You know something? I thought Kirsten and Tanya were close friends. They spoke to each other every now and then. Hmm. So so I must say, Kirsten made me and Tanya friends. Eventually a couple, and that's it. My first Valentine. All right, and my second Valentine is Nyla, aka Pooh. Okay, so Nyla, if you're watching this, which I'm certain, if this video is on YouTube, well, when this video get uploaded to YouTube, or it is, happy Valentine's Day, Nyla. Okay, all right. So happy Valentine's Day to Nyla, the 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 best girl in the world, even though she's a hood girl. Oh, I'm so hood. Sometimes I can sound like her. All right. So we'll have to see how that's gonna go down. Okay. All right. So happy Valentine's Day, buddy. Okay. I would like to shout out happy Valentine's Day to my friend Erica. Okay. Erica, Erica Pounds, and stuff like and people like that. I mean, okay, and I like to wish a happy Valentine's Day to Samara Jones. Okay, Samara, my friend. Okay, happy Valentine's Day, Samara. If you're watching this, okay. I don't know how many times she appeared on my show. Okay, so many times. I also posted the wedding when she got married to my partner, aka my cousin, aka my partner. Mm-hmm. Yep. So happy Valentine's Day to Samara and my friend Shamika. Okay, happy Valentine's Day, Shamika. If you're watching this, okay. All right, and happy Valentine's Day to my mom. Last Valentine's Day was 2018 with my mama though. Okay, and all of that, my grandmother's last Valentine's Day was 2016. Missed them so much. Mm. Last Christmas, last Valentine's Day, last Easter. Hmm. Well, all right. Happy Valentine's Day to all. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. So after this I'm gonna do a recording video on YouTube. Well, I'm a record and then upload to YouTube. Okay. But if you're watching this video on YouTube, it's already on YouTube. If you're watching this on my Facebook, go to YouTube and watch this. Okay. Hmm. Yes, indeed. Yeah. So Erica. Hmm. I mean, maybe I should have asked her to be my Valentine. No. Oh well. And by the way, happy Valentine's Day to Dominique Henry, aka Diamond. Okay. Yeah. I know that's her singing name though. Happy Valentine's Day, Dominique. Okay. Well, I also have another girl also named Dominique on my Facebook friend list, and I'm gonna wish her happy Valentine's Day too. Dominique Peters Dimes, okay. Happy Valentine's Day, Dimes, okay. Too bad I don't have nothing for you this year. If it's a last minute thing, I probably would. I don't know, okay, but we'll have to see. Mm-hmm. Something I want to say about it, but I can't say it on this live stream because I know she watching. After the previous recording. What's so funny about that? I also would like to wish a happy Valentine's Day to Miley Cyrus. My favorite actress. And I like her singing. Mm-hmm. And happy Valentine's Day to Kirsten K. Okay, so I mean, she's a wonderful singer. She sings real good. Okay, well, cop that disc. Okay, I mean, I only heard her sing one time. Okay, when many years ago in 2015. Kirsten out of Kirsten and Dominique Henry, aka Diamond. I don't know which one is the best. Okay, y'all, you be the judge of that. That's if one day they come sing on the Dominoes Seven show. Okay, because I told Kirsten that she had competition. So some girl named Dominique sings real well. So you know what? I think you know what I think. I think Kirsten K should make a music video. So if only the Box Music Network was on, I guarantee BET would have broadcast her, MTV would have, VH1, and Fuse, replace Much Music, you know. Yep. But like I said, I am careful what I say because I don't know who watches my videos. I don't know who watched Dominoes Seven. I really don't know who watches Dominoes Seven. You hear me? All right. Kirsten probably watching my videos right now. Dominique probably watching. Mm-hmm. I'm not even certain if Erica is watching right now. She'll probably watch it about 2 months from now, or right now, or whatever. I don't know, or probably a year from now. I don't know. Okay. All right. So happy Valentine's Day to each and everybody, and Tanya, happy Valentine's Day to you too. Okay, and Bianca. Okay. Mm-hmm. Yep. So anyway, on that note, Bianca. I mean, what I want to say? Oh yeah, Happy Valentine's Day to her. I mean, she cried enough. Cause I really hate for to be sad like that. I really hate that. Hmm. I can't stand for a female to cry like that. I really can't. You know. Hmm. Yes, indeed. So that's it for now. All right. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. God bless you. And Bianca, happy Valentine's Day to you too. Okay. Okay. Let me show the card. Yeah, I would have really gave her this card. If I would have been seeing her. If I'd have known her address, I would have mailed this to her. And no, I'm not saying that just to make her feel better. Okay. I'm saying that because I really mean it from the bottom of my heart. I mean what I say because I ain't no con artist. I'm not a jerk or anything. Domino Seven is a gentleman. The only way I turn jerky is just somebody upset me, or if I think somebody is making a fool out of me. All right. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody. Okay. To Tanya Lee, I should say, and to Kirsten Davis. Okay. Happy Valentine's Day to you too, my friend. Okay. I haven't seen her since 2011, about a year before I left New Iberia. I wish she would have had a chance to be a guest on my show. You know. All right. That's it for now. Thank y'all for watching. All right. Bye.